Hey guys, here's a piece of news that shows giant skeletons were unearthed in Tampa, Florida. I'm Praveen Mohan, and this was published on August 27th, 1927 in a newspaper called the Woodville Republican. It says giant skeletons are uncovered in Florida. Giant Indians who roamed Florida swamps 500 years ago or more, living on shell foods which they cracked with their teeth, is a picture unfolded by archaeologists who have delved into a burial ground on a Gulf island near here. It goes on to say, the skulls, larger than those of current history, battered and crushed, indicated tribal battles. The jaw and the teeth are unusually large. Likewise are the bones, indicating the Indians of past ages were veritable giants in comparison with those of today. So, where are these giant skeletons today? The last line says the bones have been sent to the Smithsonian Institution for further examination. So you can see that archaeologists found these giant mound builder skeletons in Tampa, Florida. But today, if you go to museums, if you go anywhere and try to find these giant skeletons, there's not one single skeleton that's available for display. So what happened to them? We don't know. All we know is that giant skeletons were found all over the US, and they were usually found underneath ancient mounds. If you want to read the entire newspaper clipping, you can click on the link below in the description and you can read the whole thing. So, what do you think? Do you believe that mound builders were giants? Please let me know your opinion in the comment section. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon.